This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Let's go.
This is Go MMT Radio and I am going to talk to someone who has joined the organization newly. Yeah, that's what the theme of the show is. It's called बधाई हो और आज बधाई मैं दे रही हूँ साक्षी को जो कि है होटल सप्लाई डिपार्टमेंट से based out of गुड़गांव. साक्षी, it's nice to have you on the show. Warm welcome.
Thank you so much, Annie. I'm pleased to be here as well.
अच्छा साक्षी, अभी आपने बताया था थोड़ी देर पहले कि आप अप्रैल में ज्वाइन करे हैं. इससे पहले आप कहाँ थे?
So I have just completed my MBA. I interned in MMT only a year ago and then PPO'd here. So
that's lovely. So this is your first job.
Yes, it is.
Oh my, and hotel supply, which means you'll be meeting up with vendors, you'll be looking for new places. It's quite exciting.
Yes, it is quite exciting and I feel like this is what pulled me towards Make My Trip basically because I too love travel and what better to have like travel as a KRA. So things just fell good into place.
Hey trippers, this is your favorite radio station, Go MMT Radio. There is big news for you and you've been waiting for this, I'm sure. Your favorite walkathon is back. Introducing My Miles, 3 lakh steps, 30 days, 1 tribe, maximum fun. It's going to start on the 1st of August. So whether you're a power walker or a slow stroller or someone who clocks steps while binge watching, this one's definitely for you. Get your crew together, sign up, get moving. What are you waiting for? Get those steps counted. Let's walk, let's talk, let's own our stride. Ready to hashtag own your stride with hashtag MyMiles? Well then you've got to hit that register button now.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Let's go.
On the show with me today is Sakshi Paradkar from the Hotel Supply Department based out of Gurgaon. Badhai de rahi hu, the name of the show, and the theme is Badhai ho. I'm your host Annie. This is Go MMT Radio. अब जो होता है वो Bollywood quiz होता है. Are you ready for this?
Yep, I hope so.
And it's clearly because you love Bollywood and you picked Bollywood, yeah?
Of course. I am a Bollywood kid.
Okay, then your first question. Who sang the song Chaiya Chaiya from the movie Dil Se?
Sukhvinder.
Yes. Who played the role of Munna Bhai in the film Munna Bhai MBBS?
That's Sanjay Dutt.
That's correct. Which actress made her Bollywood debut with the film Dhadak?
Janhvi Kapoor.
That is correct. Who directed the film Barfi?
Anurag Basu, yes.
That is correct. Which actor played the role of Kabir Khan in the movie Kabir Singh?
Shahid Kapoor.
That is correct. Who played the lead role in the film male lead in Bajirao Mastani?
Ranveer Singh.
And who directed the film Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara?
Zoya Akhtar.
That is correct. Oh my God. Your Bollywood is good, huh? I must say. So you go to watch films in the theaters very often?
Yes, I do. I feel like I like the feeling of watching a movie in the theaters. So more of a theater person than the OTT person.
Also, recent film, what was it that you watched?
Recent, I watched Sitare Zameen Par.
Oh, how did you?
Featuring Aamir Khan.
How did you like it?
It was a really nice, feel-good movie. Went there with my friends, had a lot of fun.
Hey trippers, big news. Your favorite walkathon is back. Introducing My Miles, 3 lakh steps, 30 days, 1 tribe, starting August 1st. Whether you're a power walker or slow stroller or someone who clocks steps while binge watching, this one's for you. Just get your crew together, sign up and get moving. So why wait? Let's get those steps counted. Let's walk, let's talk, let's own our stride. Ready to hashtag own your stride with hashtag MyMiles? Hit that register button now.
मेरी बॉडी में सेंसेशंस होते हैं, पिल्स उनको कंट्रोल करते हैं.
कैसे सेंसेशंस?
सेंसेशन जैसे सरसराहट, सनसनाहट, गुदगुदाहट, डगमगाहट, फड़फड़ाहट, थरथराहट, कपकपाहट, भरभराहट, दबदबाहट, छटपटाहट, फड़फड़ाहट, सुगबुगाहट, कुलबुलाहट, गुदगुदाई, चिलमिलाई, चुल.
आज ही अपने नियरेस्ट डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट करें और हाँ, अपना क्लेम अलाइव हेल्थ ऐप पर रियम्बर्स जरूर करें. बॉडी सेंसेशन और पिल से मुक्ति पाएं.
Download the Alive Health app and start making the most of it now.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Let's go.
द शो इज कॉल्ड बधाई हो, क्योंकि बधाई दे रही हूँ साक्षी पराड़कर को, जो कि अप्रैल में ही इन्होंने ज्वाइन किया है MMT. सो टेल मी पर्सनली, हाउ मच डू यू लाइक टू ट्रैवल?
I really like to travel. Things that I look forward to is even experiences. Even while I am in the same city, I'm less of a cafe hopping type of a person and more of a let's go to this spot and like watch a sunrise or watch a sunset.
Nice.
Or watch beautiful things around. I'm more of that person, and of course travel offers that really well. Yes, I said this is what pulled me towards this industry and make my trip, of course.
It is the biggest company today in India and they have come a long way. So you're really lucky. Do you feel blessed?
I do feel blessed in ways how I was able to actually choose these things, how I was able to choose my path over here, how I was able to consciously make this decision and not just like go with the flow. This was a conscious decision. I am really blessed to be here.
You manifested and it worked, huh?
Yes, I did manifest it. I like how even during my internship, people over here do listen really to your requests and where you want to be. And I felt that in this company.
Attention trippers.
जादू मेरी नजर.
नजर से याद आया, उसमें नजर भी कवर्ड है. नजर बोले तो विजन हेल्थ केयर ऑन अलाइव हेल्थ ऐप. जाके डाउनलोड करना यार, जल्दी जा.
Download the Alive Health app and start making the most of it now.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Let's go.
This is Go MMT Radio. I'm your host Annie and I'm in conversation with Sakshi Paradkar, जिनको मैं बधाई दे रही हूँ because she joined MMT in April. This is her very first job. Quite excited for it. So immersion and induction programs. You may not have attended them anywhere around, but you did attend it here for the first time. Heard really good things about it. What about you?
Well, immersion was a really different experience. Never had thought that a company would take so much of conscious efforts to make new joiners meet the people who laid the foundation of such a massive company. And I could see that reflected even in all of the L teams who came and addressed us, how important they too found this immersion program to be. It is definitely a big deal. Company founded in 2000 and has gone through so many ups and downs. Today is such a big firm. It's a travel giant of its own, and the people who were behind it, the real brains behind it, did take time from their schedules to come and meet people who have just joined, who have no idea how corporate works, but still they took this conscious efforts to come address them. And it tells a lot about the company when people on such high stature feel that it is very important for them as well to address and even listen to what we have got to say about the company and our journey of how we came here. So of course it was a very different experience. I don't think I would get this anywhere else.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Let's go.
Well, on Go MMT Radio, I'm in conversation with Sakshi Paradkar, Hotel Supply Department based out of Gurgaon. I hope you've been enjoying the show so far, Sakshi.
Yes, absolutely having fun.
Okay, the last segment now is called Wrong Answers Only. You have to be creative. Whatever I ask you, I know reflexes that we have and muscle memory pushes us to give the correct answer. But you have to now push that aside and come up with creative answers. Will you be able to do that, you think?
I'll try my best.
Okay.
The rapid fire round.
What is water made of?
Fire.
What is the opposite of hot?
Hotter.
Okay. That was close, but I'll still give it to you. What is your name?
Annie.
Okay. What do we wear on our feet?
Gloves.
What is the earth shaped like?
Like a rectangle.
Who is the Prime Minister of India?
Alia Bhatt.
How do you make tea?
I make tea using any electronics that I can find around.
Oh, and what do you use a phone for?
Work.
Well, that wasn't creative enough, but good. You know, you've done really well in both the quizzes. They were just simple games to kind of get you going. You're having a really good time, and you seem to have been quite inspired by the kind of work that you're getting to do, especially because of the community that is being created here at MMT, where everybody is willing to help, everybody is working as equals. I think that's a great environment to be in. So thank you very much for your time and all the very best.
Thank you so much, Annie. Thank you for having me.
Sakshi Paradkar on the show with me today. There's a lot she's looking forward to at MMT. I've had a really good time. And once again, Sakshi, badhai ho to you. This is Go MMT Radio. I'm your host, Annie. I'll be catching you again on Wednesday with Jab Tech Hai Jaan. Till then, stay cheerful and keep writing on that travel log.
ये लाइव अलाइव क्या है ये लाइव अलाइव जब घर में कोई बीमार हुआ तो वीके टीम ने कहा अलाइव अलाइव हेल्प पर छाई काली घटा तो बोली हवा अलाइव अलाइव अल्पर की फार्मेसी से ले लो अपनी दवाई डेंटल चेकअप और आई केयर भी है भाई अलाइव अलाइव ये लाइव अलाइव क्या है ये लाइव अलाइव जब कोई हेल्थ केयर करता है तू अलाइव अलाइव बड़ा प्यारा प्यारा लगता है तो दिल करता है Alive, alive हेल्थ का हीरो बनने का है ये टाइम Alive एप्लीकेशन डाउनलोड करो It's Prime Alive, alive ये live, alive क्या है ये live, alive सिर्फ वी केयर फन मेंबर्स के लिए yeah
Thanks to Rishabh Pant and Sunil Gavaskar, we've had non-stop entertainment both on and off the cricket field. पहले stupid moment हुआ था a few months ago, तो Go Ibibo has made use of it in a viral advertisement that broke the internet. अब Gavaskar ने बोला superb when Pant hit the century in England. So Go Ibibo has now come up with a jingle that is as hilarious as it is catchy. Have a listen and enjoy.
Stupid, superb. 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 सब बोले उसे ऑस्ट्रेलिया में Stupid. सेंचुरी मारी जब इंग्लैंड में Superb. उस पे बने हैं मीम्स और रील्स Stupid. समरसॉल्ट करके आए असली फील Superb. Don't let your trip be lame. This is not your hotel game. Stupid. Last minute sixer मारना सीखो Superb. Just go with Go Ibibo.
Hello, Go Trippers! This is Ranveer Singh, and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go Ibibo, and Redbus.